there are minor birds, rainbow warkeys, and a magpie.
Oh, here.
There's the magpie.
Me.
And magpies are really dangerous. They went on the floor.
Oh, look at the sharp claws. Oh.
Magpies are one of the scariest birds. Even a minor bird, you see. And yesterday I had a full green board. There goes a minor bird. Wow, a minor bird's eating. Here's the bird's water. Magpie, what are you doing?
Oh my god. Let me see.
There's a magpie out there. Don't go too close. There's Billy Boat. Minor bird. Billy, this minor bird. Oh, but it's around morning. I hear a magpie. Now I know. Where are you going? Strike! Capture it!
Don't make. Huh?
Capture him.
We shall.
Strike! You're not struck. Not that fast. Where's the magpie?
Down.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna try.
Put the bread in here. Hey, can I steal your bread?
Try. Wait, is the magpie down? Guys?
Just in here. Come along in the party box.
That's for the green ones, Kyan.
Why?
Because the green ones are much smaller. Will fit. The green ones will fit. The warkeys.
Oh man.
Post
Sorry.
subscribe if you live in Australia, because these are only found in Australia. Like the green ones. They're even found in Singapore as well. I have a fridge over here. Here. Here's our fridge.
Israr.
Just gonna put some.
Israr. How did you finish when your one was harder?
No, there's a minor bird.
Wait, did you steal the bread in here? Let me get some to Maggie. Wait, Maggie.
There's a warkey.
Marky. This is for Maggie. Maggie.
No, those are for the warkeys.
Lurky.
We're wasting so many bread. Throw that rainbow.
Lurky. Maggie.
Baby both stole warkey.
Lurky. Maggie. 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 Maggie.
Maybe Maggie is full.
Maggie.
Maybe Maggie is full.
It made Maggie jump. Maggie. Maggie. He's near it.
Are magpies packable?
Yes. But those are big birds. big bugs are not scared of you.
But some small birds aren't scared of you, like the green parakeet.
Yeah.
Another word for it is breasted magpie. Dude. I'm going down there, guys. Go see you down there, guys. Whoa, we're down there. There goes a minor bird. Another minor bird. And a magpie. Guys, dude, I've been holding this recorder for about like 6 minutes, dude. And this is a really good.
Maggie, I'm beside you.
Where's Maggie? Okay, I'm gonna go back up to see Maggie. See you up there, guys. Okay, we're now up. Oh, I see Maggie has his own food. Guys, there's the magpie.
That's my family.
Who's cuter, the parakeets or the magpie? Yeah, there will be nothing cuter than the parakeet. Where's that my bird going? That's all my birds. Where are the green birds, you might be asking? Oh, I don't know where they went, guys. They came up. Everybody. Do you want to... There's a minor bird. There's water here. Water.
Thirsty
Two minor birds, guys. Minor bird?
There's 4
Parrot. No, those are not parrots. Yeah, those are parakeets, not parrots. Come back later, guys. You'll be in here. You'll be here. You can these cats and dogs. Minutes. Oh yeah, 9 minutes.
Hi, we're the best.
You can see those are pets.
Let's go. At these beautiful birds. Hello. You two, you can get in the box because you can fit. No.
Where's the recorder? I need the recorder back. They're cute, aren't they? Yeah, you might think the green ones are cuter. They're right. They are cuter. There's a minor bird. Hello. Should I find a cockatoo with you guys? Yep, we're finding a cockatoo now. Let's find it. Guys, post the comments if you know where you think a cockatoo found on the trees. Guys, if I find something rare like a gawa, a rower, a parrot, a cockatoo, or even a kangaroo, I might tell you. And kangaroos are Australian, and I live in Australia. So I have a 99% chance of finding a kangaroo. You should check this house. If you dare me, I can go back in the backyard. If you dare. Okay, you said you dare me too? It's not it. There's a warkey. Hello. I'm recording. And I added these bird lights. They will turn on by themselves. Oh, hello. He's following me. Should I eat that? Oh, we're on trampoline. I'll show you these lights. Preparing this for decoration of the tree. So the birds love it. And we're gonna make a bird house. But what do we need? Cardboard. Or wood. That's how you make a bird house. Hello. Oh. Are you thirsty? You thirsty? You thirsty? Have some water. Are you thirsty? This is bird water. And a bird has it. A bird that was like you has this had some water like this. So if you're thirsty, have it. It's not dirty water. Like in rivers, lakes, and ponds, it's dirty water. But that is not dirty water. Where did the two other ones go? Hello. And warkies are one of my favorite birds. So like and subscribe if they're one of yours. And by the way, we need 1 million subscribers. So if there's 1 billion people watching this video, I would really appreciate it. Because that's times 1,000 people watching it. Guys. Hello, Kyan. Hello. Hello, Kyan. Hello.
Hello. I'm just going back.
I'm looking for some birds.
Birds?
Yeah.
Don't see more birds.
Yeah.
More and parakeets.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
Yeah.
Up here. That tree.
There's a cockatoo.
Oh, it flew away. Hopefully you saw it.
I saw it.
Do you see
saw
it
it.
in the camera?
Yes, lizard.
Do you see it?
It was really sneaky.
Is it gone?
Yeah, it was very small.
I saw it.
Where are you? And we saw Butang lizard last year when I came back from school. And this is my plant. Would you like? What? What?
Can you do this?
What? Hey. Sorry for that.
Can you do this, Star?
What?
What? I didn't do it yet.
Bondage?
Star, can you do this?
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah, maybe.
See, it does bounce.
Oh, guys. It's almost been 4,000 seconds. Guys, now I've been holding this for like 1,000 seconds.
How much seconds?
1,000.
Can I see?
16 minutes. 40 seconds is 1,000 seconds. I've been holding this for more than 1,000 seconds.
Can I see?
17 minutes is 1,020 seconds. Gonna have a real break, guys. If you'd like to see me grow some plants, do it. Hun, if you want to record me grow some plants, do it.
Time to grow some plants.
Oh my gosh, this is not full. I forgot.
You want to see basketball? I'm trying to kick it.
বড় মামিকে দেখে বলছি
Warm up. Big mom. Bye bye. Nobody, no one. Nobody home.
Karen, why is the screen upside down? Oh, it was.
Oh man. And I've been holding this for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
growing plants?
16, 17, 18. It has like 18.
Like me, I wanted to grow some plants. Said it before I was recording.
I was killing it.
We don't have to kill ants. Those are nature.
It's just walking away.
Would you like to see a bird, guys? And by the way, thank you for 300 views. You see this tree? There's a wild birds on this tree. This tree has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 branches. No, those are trees that are just connected to each other. I mean, and where is one of my cars? I want to see some sand here. guys. Did you notice anything? This is a long video.
Do you see how much ants are eating this beetle?
It's been for about like 2.5
Now
minutes.
eat my pet beetle.
Guys, we're back. There's only a mire bird. Guys, if you could see it, I might go up there. Try not to shoot the spider bird. It will be really stable. There is a mire bird. Should we go a bit closer, guys? They're really close. We're 1.5 meters away from it. Until it got scared of me. He's on my specialist tree.